This machine is full stainless steel material. Dosing with pneumatic pump, this machine can be adjusted in the rated materials and complete the functions such as bag making, measuring, filling, sealing, cutting, counting, and batch printing. Features: 1. The machine has adopted a PLC programmable controller and matched with English and Chinese display screen. Thus, it's easy to operate, convenient in adjustment and super automatic. 2. Advanced photoelectric tracking system is adopted. When using packing film with cursor mark, the first pouch can seize cursor mark, get correct design picture. In-phase bag pulling system make pouch smoothly and correct. 3. Light touch the buttons below display screen according to the screens indicate. Number input and display, airproof, insulated, high corrupt proof, easy to operate.